buy a used Land Rover. Did you know that vehicles have hundreds of parts that will corrode even with the most careful use and thorough maintenance? Each time your engine runs, as it vibrates, pumps, and resists great amounts of stress, the value of your vehicle depreciates. This tells you how risky it is to buy a used one rather than a new Range Rover or Defender Rover. Here are some tips in buying used Land Rovers. Find the best Land Rover wholesale dealer in your area. Good reputation is very hard to build, and almost all businessmen know this. They will usually protect their reputation even if it sacrifices a small quantity of their earnings. This fact is what a customer needs in obtaining the best Range Rover his budget can afford. A good dealer will do his best to assemble or repair used vehicles to improve their condition. Not only that, a good dealer will try to place additional benefits like warranties and discounts on machine parts that are free from scams. Select the most specific warranties. Most wholesale companies have warranties for their vehicles, but not all of them have the intention to give the right benefits to their customers. Most companies that do not want you to have free access to their services will carefully place very broad yet very attractive words or phrasing in their warranty statements. If this is the case, you will have to inquire for the specific coverage of their warranty. Not all companies will want to entertain your questions regarding this matter. In this case, you will have to seek your Land Rover somewhere else. Rover parts are very expensive, and if you could save on the repair services, then you would be taking off a heavy load from your shoulders. Do a background check. How the previous owners cared for the vehicle will allow you to estimate how much repair work you will have to do if you buy the used vehicle. There are several ways to do a background check on the vehicle. One way of doing it is by looking into the previous owner's traffic record. If you have the advantage of being in close proximity with the previous owner's residence, you might want to ask him personally. But if you can't do any of the above, you might want someone whom you trust to check the vehicle. Find the reliable brands. Vehicles made by automobile companies that are specialized in Land Rovers usually produce very sturdy products. Although great brands are usually expensive, their products are also usually less frequently in need of repairs. A Land Rover is a very expensive vehicle, and buying a used one will help you save money. However, if you really want to get the most out of your money, all you need to do is find a vehicle that is still in good shape to avoid costly repairs.